show you some really beautiful and last minute Diwali decoration ideas. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up.
So for this first DIY, we will need a paper and we have to cut out some circles out of this paper. Now we have to fold the circle into halves 2 times like this. And now you have to paste all the ends of the circles like this, how I am doing in this video. Now paste all the folded circles like this. After pasting all the folded circles, it will look somewhat like this. Now paste both the ends of the circles. Now you have to cut out a fire-like shape from a glitter sheet and stick it on the diya. So for this DIY, which is a diya stand, you have to take a old CD and paste a mirror on the middle of this CD. This is totally optional. Now start drawing different designs with a permanent marker or a After drawing the mandala or designs that you have made, paint the designs with different acrylic paints. Use nice vibrant colors. That's it, you are done. After painting, you can even give the designs a outline from a black pen. The second DIY, we are going to decorate this diya. I think all of us do this every year. So for this, I am painting the full diya with green acrylic paint. You can make different designs with help of earbud and toothpick and also with paintbrush. If you have limestone stickers, you can use that to decorate diya. That will look wonderful and give a wow look. So you are ready with your colorful diya. So this is the most easy craft that you can do in Diwali. So for this DIY, we will need 2 different color paper. Here I am using glaze paper. You can go with any paper. And now we have to take one paper and fold it into half, and then take a scissor and cut small stripes, leaving 1 inch extra from the top. Now paste the strip paper on the other paper that you have, and leaving 1 inch extra, how I am doing in this video, and then cut out the rest part. After that, paste the paper in the cylindrical shape like this. So now here I am pasting a stripe of paper at the upper side so that we can hang it anywhere. So now you can decorate your kandil with anything. Here I am decorating it with stripes of paper that I've used inside the kandil. And that's it, you are done. For this DIY, you have to take the middle part of the bottle and cut out some circles from the glitter sheet and cardboard, and then stick the glitter sheet circles on the cardboard. Now you have to take a rope and paste it around the circle like this. You can also use pearls and other types of ropes. So now you have to stick all the circles and the plastic bottle like this. So here I am sticking a bead on the top of the lamp like this. And you are done. You can stick pearls to decorate the lamp like I have done here.
So guys, I really hope that you like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye and wish you happy Diwali in advance.